I'm here in Dallas at Light Reading's NFE Everywhere event, but I'm not going to talk about NFE per se. I want to talk instead about an increasing trend from service provider executives that I'm hearing to focus on applications and service-driven networks. And if that sounds very simplistic, let me be a little bit more specific. As I'm talking to AT&T, Verizon, CenturyLink, Masergy, other carriers as well, I'm hearing more and more their explanations for things that they're doing, from the use of containers to cloud management to, again, using NFE and SDN, all being driven by the fact that they want applications to dictate how the network performs. And they want to be able to know that they can guarantee that network performance based on what a specific application wants or needs, or a specific service wants or needs. This is obviously part of a broader focus on customers, which is always important. But it's interesting because it shows that the network, the automation of the network, the end goal is being shifted away from let's look and see how our networks are performing to let's make sure that we know how our applications are performing and our services are performing. And that unless you can do that, unless you can really drive your network in that direction so it performs in an automated fashion, on an end-to-end basis, to use more buzzwords, to the level that of an application or a service requirement, then you're not really meeting the long-term goals of virtualization and network transformation that the whole industry is going through at the current time. I think it's interesting because, again, many of the trends I'm talking to these executives about seem very different. In the case of AT&T and Verizon, I was talking to them about the use of containers, Docker-like containers. In CenturyLink case, I was talking about its recent connection with Cloud Foundry. Tim Naramore, the CTO of Masergy, spoke here yesterday about his company's use of SDN and NFE. But in each case, the fundamental goal long-term was to be able to deliver application-specific network activity on an automated basis. And that seems to be the broader goal of a lot of what the industry is trying to do right now.